Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Bonanza, local and long-distance movers near me. Although long-distance relocation is complicated, we have everything we need to ensure a seamless transition from collection to delivery of your possessions. We have expert movers and high-quality moving equipment that allows us to achieve the required outcomes. Our movers treat all your belongings with care and place them securely in the trucks. Throughout the relocation, our moving trucks preserve and secure belongings. They feature big compartments to hold your stuff. Our experienced drivers are aware and adhere to all state and federal highway regulations. They also have the appropriate long-distance moving licenses. A local move is less than 50 miles, but notwithstanding, you should hire the services of a company that will not mess things up for you. 3 Movers ensures that our clients get the best of everything and they lack nothing about relocation. We collaborate with relocation councils and have the required licenses to transport your items. Locals make up a sizable portion of our clientele since we provide high-quality services at reasonable prices. We charge between $30 and $40 per hour. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Bonanza moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.